Couple driving home from Vancouver to Maple Ridge died when a car going the opposite direction jumped the median and flipped into their small SUV. Now, the driver of that car was acquitted of the dangerous driving causing death charges against her. But the parents of Johnny de Oliveira and Beckie Dyer, who died that day, are fighting to have that overturned. Brady Strachan was in the courtroom.
It's been 4 long, hard years for Debbie Dyer.
It'll be 4 years on Sunday, and still nothing. They're still waiting. And you know, it's heart-wrenching.
In 2010, Beckie Dyer and her boyfriend, Johnny de Oliveira, were killed instantly when they were hit by an oncoming car. Last year, the driver of that car, 27-year-old Andalina Hechimovic, was acquitted on 2 counts of dangerous driving causing death. Her car vaulted over a median and tore through the roof of the couple's car after she raced through a red light in a right-turn-only lane. Hechimovic testified during the trial she broke down crying just before the crash because she'd had a stressful day at her job as an emergency room nurse. The judge decided she was not deliberately driving dangerously. The judgment is hard for the victims' families to take.
It's just so unfair that we have to live with this. We get a life sentence.
It's been a long haul. It's hell. It's hell for all of us.
Today, the Crown argued for a new trial. Lawyers say the trial judge did not properly consider the Crown's secondary theory in her decision. Lawyer Fred Tischler said a reasonably prudent driver would have seen the risks and taken the expected courses of action to avoid them. Failure of the trial judge to consider this is an error. The defense argued Hechimovic was crying when she entered the intersection and not in the same state as a typical driver. The lawyer says there are no grounds to appeal the trial judge's decision. The appeals court judges reserved their decision. Meanwhile, Debbie Dyer says her daughter's death serves as a warning to all drivers.
I just want people to stop and pay attention and be aware of your surroundings. Be aware that, you know, you're going way too fast. You don't want to kill somebody.
Brady Strachan, CBC News, Vancouver.